Good morning, everyone. Well, I'm showing you the other reason why I had to go through my Christmas paper, because I pre-ordered this and it's like I kind of forgot that I was getting it. But anyway, it's Simple Vintage Believe, and it's by Simple Stories, of course. And it's got the cutest snowman, reindeer, Santa Claus. I mean, that was my problem, I guess. So I'm gonna show that to you. See, look at, he's adorable. I am a sucker for Santas and snowmen and reindeer. Okay. Oh, they all have names too, but you can see them. This is like little scenes, and then they got Santa's strung through it. And tickets, poinsettias, red and white, really deep red. This ledger paper, and these tickets. I always love these. I kind of hoard those till the end. And holly, a really pretty plaid. Here's gorgeous little reindeers. I just love them. Their tags are always really cute. And I need to cut them up ahead of time. Maybe then I'll use them more often. So I think I'm going to actually do that. I'm going to set that aside. Here's one with Christmas ornaments. These little tags. See that snowman? They are so cute. And that's what the, oh, there's an extra one of these. Or this is green. I see. These are really cute. Look at that Santa Claus. He's awesome. And the snowman's adorable. It's cute with the bike. And that same pattern, but in red. And there's Santa again. And the reindeer. Oh, and here's reindeer hiding behind the presents. More poinsettias. It seems like there's more pages this time. It's because I know my ginghams are coming up next. Here's the other Santa. A couple of snowmen. Another reindeer. And here's the sticker page. And look at it. It's amazing sticker page. At first, I was thinking, I think I just got the plaid and this. See, that's always my intention. So, or the ginghams. So these are ginghams and dots. So it's a real faint dot. And the gingham. In red, green, this tan color. Gray, the dark green, like an evergreen, and then the black. Okay, now I have been putting them in, when I got a collection, I thought I brought out a, I guess I got one over here. Okay, I've been putting them in this sleeve, and then any of the pieces I get, let me see what side it opens. I've been putting them in this 12 by 12 sheet, and it has 9 spaces in it. And I bought the word pieces, which they call sentiment pieces. Because I love if I can get a written, crisp, words, especially in cursive. And there's stars, fun, memories, jingle, bright. Here's some ambersands. Berry, joy, seasons, 'tis the, wishes, merry. Sparkle, Believe, Santa. So lots of words. I love that. So that way most of these will fit in this little bigger pocket. And that way when you put them in your, and I forget where I seen somebody do this, but I just think it's such a great idea, because that way you're spreading apart your embellishments and it's not taking up, like, otherwise the bottom part of your cube unit or wherever you keep them is all, you know, everything falls over because it's like the bottom is too heavy or too thick. Okay, the other ones I got had some stars because they just fell out. Snowman, the wreath, the reindeer, of course. Oh, and these look like little vintage slides. So these different things. More written words. The handsome Santa. Some postage, looks like postage. These little tags. And so I am gonna cut this so it fits if it doesn't fit. Yeah, so I just cut these down because that way I can kind of look to see what I have before I start dragging out to see if there's anything I want. But usually I end up throwing them in one of those little trays and pulling out everything anyway. That's kind of what I do. But I really like these to put this, you know, when you have a whole collection, or, I mean, I don't have a whole collection because I refuse to buy a whole collection again after I did one with a Valentine collection, and it's like, oh my gosh, I mean, I was using tons of stuff on every layout, and I still have tons of it left. But I really like this for keeping all the pieces in. And sometimes, like now, I don't feel like I have to fill every one. It will still be flatter than if I have them, you know, all grouped together in one little pocket. But I see one word is very big. So when you get up to the top, like if I have this one down here and it's sticking out, it's okay because it's not going to be sticking over the top. And I've showed this before that I've done this, and at the time I probably wrote down who was the one where I seen it, because I just thought it was such a fabulous idea. So that way you have everything is pretty flat. It really made a difference when I started doing this I went through everything and did this with them, and then whenever I added new stuff, then I do the same thing, like today. There we go. Sometimes it's got to pop up. I got two different kinds of these. I haven't decided which ones I like the best yet. Oh, I'm stuck. There we go. But you can see, I mean, it's not even as thick as what the plastic container is, or plastic sleeve, but that works really good. And then I'll put this in here. Well, actually, I'm gonna just stick it in here like this because it's shorter, because I'm gonna pull this out and cut it and put those in the little pockets too. So that's it for today. I just wanted to show you that because I know I was putting things in them, and I wanted to show you how that worked. If you hadn't seen that for a while or haven't seen it at all, I really like that. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.